Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you're all fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we will start unit number 6 of the textbook Television versus Newspapers. In this chapter we will learn about the differences, similarities and benefits of television and newspaper. Here are some differences. There is an obvious difference. We all know how newspaper consists of words making our brain make out the visual details by imagination, whereas television presents with the audio and visual details. Television allows us to have visual proof of the incident, which can be more trustworthy, whereas newspaper isn't always biased proving. Television needs us to sit in front of it to see all the details at a straight run, whereas newspaper allows us to process the information at our own pace. Television doesn't give us much of a choice. We have to watch whatever is available at the current moment, whereas newspaper allows us that freedom of choice of reading the news of our interest. Television can provide us with even live stream of the news and information around the world, but newspaper is always late in comparison. We have no choice but to wait for the news during the advertisement in the television, while it is not the case in the newspaper. Newspaper allows us with a variety of useful words to be used in professional life and also helps us in improving our language with respect to the medium of newspaper, while television doesn't always teach us the same. Television is easier when it comes for processing information, while newspaper helps us exercise our imaginative ability. Is TV better than newspaper? Television sets itself apart from other media with its ability to offer sight, sound, and emotion to generate emotional responses from the viewer. The engaging qualities of television allow advertisers to create a long-lasting and memorable brand image. Television has unbeatable scale and reach that reaches audiences quickly and effectively. The theme of the chapter is each medium has strengths that the other does not. Each makes use of strong points that the other lacks. Television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having 10-course dinner. The ideal seems to be if one has the time to both read the news and watch it on television. Hope you understand well the chapter.